one of the mistakes that we can sometimes make, and I think Joseph probably made this mistake, is we receive a dream, we receive a vision, and we go share it publicly before it's ready to be shared. And so what we've got to realize is that once you receive it, there's a time of preparation that has to be put into place before there's implementation. All right, so there's typically, watch this, a gap of time that exists between receiving the dream, receiving the vision, and then implementing the vision. And we want to be good stewards of that gap of time. It's in that gap of time that we learn more about the dream. It's in that gap of time that we educate ourselves. It's in that gap of time we learn what it takes to bring that dream into reality. In many ways, we count the cost, okay? Now, as I talk about this, listen to this. The vision can't rely on passion without preparation. If you only have passion, but you do not sustain your passion without preparation, your passion could lead you into biting off more than you can handle. Your passion could lead you into actually making some irresponsible decisions. But the preparation is actually to be a part of a group like this, an Inner Circle with Amy Howard. Your preparation is to actually learn from people who've been there and done it before. So the vision must be prepared before it can be presented. If you don't prepare your vision before you present your vision, if you were to present your vision to investors and you had not adequately prepared, they would shoot holes in your vision. All right. And so it's got to be prepared before it can be presented. Now, this next thing I'm about to tell you is so vitally important. Listen to this. Visions rarely change, plans often do. Visions rarely change, plans often do. Now, here's why this is so important.